How to enable picture-in-picture mode on YouTube on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable the PIP mode or the picture-in-picture mode on YouTube on Android. Now, first things first, what you want to do is you can go ahead and you can get the YouTube Premium. You can simply head into your profile on YouTube, and then here if you head into the settings here at the top right and scroll down here, you'll be able to see the option that says YouTube Premium. Sorry, it's not showing up here, and you can see purchase and memberships here. Now, however, if you don't want to get the premium and you just want to get the picture-in-picture mode, then what you can do is you can open up the YouTube in background, right this way, on active in background on the background apps, tap and hold on YouTube, and then you can see pop up here for preview and drag and drop under it. Now here you'll be able to stream or use YouTube here as well on this PIP feature mode, and then you can use any other apps in the background as well. So this way you can use picture-in-picture mode in YouTube on Android. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.